So hi to everyone. I hope you can hear me well with this microphone. I don't test it really out before, but we will see. So first, a few things about me. I'm from Germany, so I hope you can understand my English. If not, I will work on that. So in the meantime, I hope that's okay. A little bit about me. I'm 23 years old. I live in Germany, like I said. And this year I hopefully will improve my art skills quite a bit. And I think, yeah, that's maybe a good reason to start a YouTube channel with some art related things and maybe a few tips and tricks or ways to paint mostly digitally. To show that and to share that with you. So this is my goal for this. And right now I really don't have a fully planned schedule, but in the future I will see what we cover over the time, and yeah. So right now you see me a little bit sketching around and play around with just forms and shapes. So I thought it's a really a little bit cooler and interesting to see something on the screen while in the meantime while I talk to you. So but I believe this is this should be some creature designed, some mixture of different type of animals or such a thing. So really not a special piece or so. So the thing is, on the next videos or the next episodes, I want to go through some basic things. Some things that you need to start out when you want to paint digitally. I believe it doesn't matter if you want mostly do illustrations or concept design or just art for the art's sake, or if you want to paint digitally, you need some basics. And the main things, in my opinion, are understanding of what you can achieve with this technology and what's the difference between traditional work and digitally work. So this is a topic to cover in the next videos, and also what equipment I need. It starts with a graphic tablet. Do I need a really heavy and expensive Intus whatever, or do I need only a small random graphic tablet for $50 also? So these are questions that I want to cover on the next videos, and also the software side. There are quite a lot softwares to use out there, and to name some: Photoshop, Painter, Paint to Sci, and I believe that's the three big softwares out there for paint digitally. And also I have discovered quite a lot, maybe 2 or 3 other smaller softwares and tools to paint on a PC or Mac, whatever you use. I believe But one thing, if you use a Mac, I really have no clue what special things or what special software you can use out with that. I only have a PC, and yeah, maybe you can research it by your own. So right now I really don't know what else to say. Yeah, later I will show you some things that I've really found useful. Maybe I show you some online resources too. And yeah, if you have any feedback, if you can't understand me, or if you have a good idea or criticism, whatever, you can write a comment, or you can send me a note or a message. So that would be really nice. And yeah, let's see what we have on the screen right now. I believe here I really had problems with the front leg. It's not refined now, so yeah. But if you can see, the major form comes out in some way. So I'm really not that good in line drawing or sketching around with just lines. But actually I really like it much more if I block things out with a big brush or with just black and white values, and then I work from there. So, but you have, in my opinion, you have to practice all kind of styles or all kind of ways to get to your goal, to your finished piece. So this is also a way just to first find the major form with simple line strokes, and then later on to refine that to a fine piece. So maybe then you maybe can add some colors too, or some values to bring the form out. But if you can see, or maybe a lot of great artists mentioned that, is the major form, the basic form is the most important. If you can't draw from the first, maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes or so, if you can't bring a good shape, a good perspective, and a good anatomy into your piece in this first stage, then you have really problems to develop that later on. So I can say the first time I had this problem a lot. So I paint something, I said, yeah, that's quite good, it's not perfect, but later on it will develop, and you have to bring this piece to a finish. Why should you do you don't that? So you have to bring this to a finish. And I always had this idea that every piece that I'm started with must be finished in some way, so to show it's in some way, and that's not really a good thing. I know it now, though. The better way for me, at least, is to throw this away and start out something new, and then when I'm really happy with it, I can bring it to a finish. So that's way more effective. Yeah, it sounds a little bit weird, but it's more effective to start new sometimes. So, okay. And here, That's here's really my problem. This leg on the front, this creature looking like I believe I really need a little more practice in anatomy and such things. So yeah, that's maybe my weakness. You can see it here. But to mention that I really don't want to show a perfect art style, or want to show my art in a perfect way and I'm pro or everything. I'm really not a pro right now. I'm studying these things, so I believe I will do a lot of mistakes in the future, also recorded mistakes, and that's my goal for this project. So I want when you maybe see something that I can improve, or that I say it wrong, or that I do wrong, or that I paint wrong, then you can connect over YouTube, and that's a great thing. That's a great thing from this social network. The social network thing. So, and then we can share our experience, and maybe we grow all together. So I believe I come to a finish right now in a few seconds. So I do this quite, I would like to do this quite a lot, but actually I don't do so much sketches over the day. At least line drawing sketches, so. Okay. Thank you for your time. If you like, you can subscribe and all the stuff. I believe you know it already if you watch YouTube for some time. So subscribe, comment, and thanks. Bye.